How to deploy your Lovable project in one click. So in order to do this, first things first, head over to their website, which is lovable.dev. And then you can ask Lovable to create a website for you. So for example, ask them to create a website about cocat. So you can just simply send that and it will automatically create a website for you. So I've already prompted this, and this is the website that I have been given by Lovable. As you can see, it's very cat, very cute, very all of that. So if you want to deploy this particular project, what you can do is you can click onto this publish option, and you can see in here the preview for that as well as a publish site. So let's head over and click onto this publish option right here. As you can see, it only takes 2 clicks right there, and you can see that it's currently publishing. So once it's done right here, you can head over to this particular application or to this site, copy this link, and let's see it up close right here. So don't worry right now because the actual URL is from Lovable, but you can actually change that later on into the settings. So this is now our website. Just wait for this to successfully load and you can see it right here already. So that's how to deploy your Lovable project in one click. I hope this video helped you out.